Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what you can do in order to try to fix your issue with not hearing anyone on Discord. First of all, make sure that you are not deafen yourself. So over here you have this headphone icon, and if you have deafen yourself, then it will look like this with this red line across this icon. You want to undeafen yourself. Now, the second thing that you want to do is make sure that, of course, your output device, whether these are your speakers, headphones, whatever, they are properly connected to your PC. So we can go to sound settings, so right click the speaker over here and then go to sound settings. Of course, I'm on Windows 11, so you might find different options on different operating systems. And now over here we have the volume slider over here at the top. We have the output over here, output section. We have the volume, so make sure that it is 100. Make sure that the sound is not muted. You can also choose the output device that you are using. And over here you also find a bunch of different sliders, which you can also make sure and that they are properly set up so that they are not completely muted. Now what we can do is go back to Discord. So now on Discord, what you want to do is go to user settings over here in the bottom left corner, then go to voice and video, and here you will find the voice settings. Over here on the right side you will find the output device, where we can select the device that we are using in order to listen to. So we can click over here, and now we can select the specific device that we want to use. For instance, I'm gonna choose this one, as this is the one that I am using. And over here we also have the output volume, where we can increase or decrease the volume level. You might have it set to 0, so make sure that it is set higher than that. Of course, if it is too quiet, then you can increase, or if it is too loud, then you can decrease by moving the slider. We can also scroll down a little bit until we find the audio subsystem option, where by default it should be set by standard. So if you have something else set up, you might want to switch to standard, and then by doing so you will be asked to quit and reload the Discord. So you can press OK in order to do the changes. And if nothing helps, you can also try to reset all voice settings over here. You have this red button at the bottom of the list of settings, which you can click in order to reset everything and check if that helps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.